Hello everyone. Today we are making delicious cake recipe that is Indian Malai cake, which is very easy with our minimal ingredients. Initially we are going to make Rabdi for this Malai cake, which is an important step. Boil 1 liter of milk until it starts to overflow. Add 1/4 cup of milk powder and boil until it reduces to 750 ml, or boil to half liter if you don't want to use milk powder. Then add chopped dry fruits around 4 to 5 tablespoons and 6 to 8 strands of saffron, and then goes 1 tablespoon cardamom powder or vanilla essence as per your preference. After adding all these ingredients, just boil for 3 minutes, then switch off the flame, let it cool completely, and then refrigerate it for about 1 hour. Now we are going to make cake base or cake batter. In a blender jar goes half cup sugar or sugar powder, 1/3 cup of oil or melt butter, half a cup of curd or yogurt, 1/4 cup of milk, and half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Blend these ingredients until they turn creamy. Now transfer this mix into a mixing bowl and add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon baking soda or cooking soda. Cut and fold slowly or mix slowly to create a smooth batter. Mix only on one direction. Don't mix the cake batter to speed, which is going to make the bread flatten. So to avoid that, mix only on one direction, that too in a gently manner. And then goes 1 tablespoon vanilla essence if you want, and mix it thoroughly until you get the right consistency. And then grease a cake mold. Keep a butter paper or dust with the flour powder and pour the batter into it. If you want, add some more chopped dry fruits toppings on top of the batter. For the baking part, if you don't have an oven, take a vessel and add around half a cup of salt on it or sand on it. Let it preheat for 5 minutes. Then place a vessel along with a stand on it and keep the lid closed and bake for about 30 minutes on medium flame. For oven, preheat to 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and then bake for 30 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Check with a toothpick or knife inserting in middle of the bread once the baking part is done. If it comes out clear, then the baking is done. Or if it comes with a batter stain on it, just allow it to bake for 10 more minutes. Cool the cake completely and then demold just by tapping gently on back of the mold while flipping the cake on a plate. Cut the cake into layers with the help of thread or a knife, and meanwhile prepare a sugar syrup. Just by melting 3 tablespoons of sugar in 8 tablespoons of water with 6 to 8 saffron strands on it. Mix it well and refrigerate for 1 hour. Now take the first layer, apply the sugar syrup as much as you want on each layer. Spread the Rabdi on every layer and repeat this for all the layers. Top with the dry fruits. That's it. Our Malai cake is ready to serve. Apply the sugar syrup on second layer and spread Rabdi and some more chopped dry fruits as a toppings. Cut the cake piece and place it on a small plate and spread some more Rabdi on it and serve to your beloved ones. Enjoy your delicious eggless dry fruit malai cake. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.